Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use one of my favorite virtual math manipulatives to help kids develop an understanding of place value by showing how our number system is built on the idea of 10. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. All right, so I chose to use the website DidX that has a bunch of virtual manipulatives. And today I'm going to show you some of the base 10 blocks. So I chose to use this one for a few different reasons. So over here we have the options of show grid, um, putting it from ones to thousands in this direction, or you can switch from thousands to one, press go, it'll switch it this way. So I would normally use it ones to thousands. The thousands to ones option is good if you were to show decimal places. So for instance, you can take the pencil option here, draw a little decimal point. Yikes, that's supposed to be a circle, but you could be able to show something like 2 and 4/10 and use it this way. However, I'm going to switch it back to ones to thousands to show this is a smaller unit and this is a larger unit from greater to least greatest. So I like this manipulative for two reasons. One, it does have the option to go back and forth depending on what you're trying to show. For developing an understanding of place value, I like the 10 blocks because you can show that larger blocks are built from smaller blocks. So I've already done a little bit of it for us, but using the 10 block virtual manipulative, you can drag over 110 column, help them see that 110 is made of 10 ones, and they would place them in the ones column such like that. They could write it out like this using the pencil, and then you can drag over one of the hundreds blocks to the hundreds column, also help them or have them display that 10 tens is equal to 1/100, so on and so forth with the thousands. If you wanted them to drag 10 hundreds over here for 1,000, they could do it that way too. So you can give the students a number like 35. Pardon my writing on this. Have them build the number with the blocks. So 35, we can make a little chart and show them the tens and the ones over here. I know it's over there also, but we'll do it this way. Not the easiest to write on, but it's okay. So in 35, they should be able to identify that there are 3 tens with 5 ones left over. So then using the base 10 blocks over here, you can have them grab the tens. We'll put 3 tens. And then they know there are 5 ones. Perfect. So to help them show the relationship between the number 10, I would draw a little line. Have them break this down into a different way. So we'll go 2 tens. If there are 2 tens, they know that's 20. We'll just move these over here for now. Using just subtraction, they could do 35 minus 20 and know there's 15 left. So if we already did our tens column, that means that we're going to have 15 ones. And again, they can use the base 10 blocks to put 15 over here. It's a slow process, but it's worth it. All right, perfect. So they've now shown in 2 different ways how to build the number 35 with base 10 blocks. let's say we want to give them one more. So if we already did 3 in the tens place, we already did 2 tens and made it 15 ones, you can ask them to do it with 1 10. Again, they do 35 minus 10 and know that it is 25 ones. All right, let's do this. Might end up being a little messy, but just as an example, we'll do it. Two, 3, 4, 5. Now, by using this manipulative with the base 10 blocks and being able to use the pencil to do our own little chart over here, you could help them notice the pattern with the number 10. So when we had 3 tens, we had 5 ones. When we brought down the tens by 1 to 2, it also brought up the ones by 10. And then again, when we brought the tens down by 1, it brought the ones up by another 10, so they can hopefully see the pattern using the base 10 blocks over here. So I hope you liked my little demo of how to use the DidX website with their base 10 blocks manipulative to help kids see how the number system is based on 10 and just how the pattern repeats between tens within smaller numbers, how larger blocks using the base 10 blocks are built from smaller blocks. This can definitely help with developing a further understanding of place value. And again, if you wanted to manipulate it to using decimals, it can help them see how place values are and naming them, which is another big deal in teaching decimals to younger students. Thanks for watching.